and welcome to Toni's Garage. Being entirely built in Italy, in the Maserati factory from Modena, the car I will present today is pure Italian pride. For me, it is the second most beautiful Maserati, from the modern ones, after the fourth generation Quattroporte, with such a clean and elegant design, that I knew I just need to have one. So this is the Maserati MC20, made by BBR on a 1/43 scale. My model is the number 53 from a 62 model series, so it is from a pretty limited series. The interior is as I expected, perfect. Even if we are discussing a sealed model, the relatively wide windows make it quite easy to admire those brown leather chairs and that fiber carbon dashboard. Regarding the engine, well, you can see something, but the engine glass with its Trident, as cool as it is, limits the engine visibility. The rims are also very well made and it grants you visibility to the brakes and those red brake pads. Honestly, I could stay and speak about this model for another good few minutes, if not hours, but I will prefer to show you some close-up pictures of this model and ask you to tell me what you think about the MC20. Also, a more detailed review of this model car is available on my second channel, Model Cars, Beer, and Words with Toni, so check it out. Cheers!